Alright guys, Bloodline just released, so I'm gonna be showing you guys how to get started and the basic tutorial of the game, to be honest, because it's really not that complicated, but when you don't know anything, it is pretty bad. So when you first spawn in, I spawn over here in the Durana Town in the sand area. You want to click the button under escape and you're gonna open up your inventory, and in here you're gonna basically see everything about the server, your traits, your bloodline, which is your clan, and your stats. Like for example, my max health, that's my chakra, you can see your sin, everything. It's literally, it's basically like a main menu. And after you check that, you feel happy, if you have Robux, you want to clan reroll, all that. After you check that and you actually want to get started to play the game, you want to come up from spawn and you want to try to find trinkets. So for example, there isn't one here right now, but there's a trinket spawn right here, and there's some like over there. And even if you want to leave the spawn area, try to go find some trinkets. But basically, you just want to get 10 Rio. That's your goal, 10 Rio. The way you sell these trinkets that you get is coming to this guy and give it to him. Once you get that, you want to come over here, this crystal. Actually, this is the first thing. The first thing you want to do is just come here to this crystal and just, unlock it. And this is like a fast travel crystal. Here you can check your skills, fast travel, check the crystals that you find, all that. And you want to buy sub. Once you buy sub, I recommend that you try to head over. Let me try to lead you guys there. Passageway. If you spawn in the sand area, you want to just go kind of like this way directly. Passageway, and which is gonna lead you toward the middle of the map. I'm gonna go to right now. And let's see, passageway. Come here. And basically, you're just gonna want to leave this way. So make your way around and you leave, and I'm about to show you how it will look for other spawns. Just a second here. So this is a place that you can spawn anywhere else. I'll go up just so I can show you guys. 1 second. Alright, well, while we're coming up here, I'm gonna explain the basic stuff. If you want to go get into depth about the GUI and all that and your clan abilities, I'm going to have a Discord in the description. It's an info Discord that my friend has made, and you can check it out. But yep, so we're here in the basically the middle of the map. If you recognize this area, we got Sorythia Town over here. So basically, you literally, once you get here, you just take just go straight. Just go straight. So if you're coming from passageway, just a straight left. Quite literally it. And you want to come. Oh, that's not. Okay, that's not a good thing to come across, but it's fine. Yeah, you go around. You won't drown, you'll be fine. But yeah, other than the scary Mondot over there, fall damage isn't that bad, so I'm just gonna drop it, I'm not gonna lie. Take no damage. And you head over here. So first thing you want to do is you want to go through there. I don't need to show you really, it's very self-explanatory. Go up there, talk to the girl. She's gonna give you a quest. It's gonna say punch a log 1,000 times. You don't actually have to punch a log 1,000 times. What happens is when you punch these logs, as we're gonna see over here with this guy, you're gonna punch it, and then a shinobi's gonna spawn. And this NPC is really easy to kill. It's very easy to farm. You just knock it back, kind of go back a little bit, wait for it to run at you, and then hit it to not see it spawn right here. I'll try to give you an example like this. So you kind of just so yeah, basically you kill this thing, and then it's gonna spawn a little fragment. That's what it's called. And it's kind of hard to see, so it's 100% drop, so it's always gonna drop. See right there, you picked it up. And then, yeah, you unlock the crystal over here, and what you want to do is you want to get like 3, 4, 5 fragments. Come to this crystal, teleport to your spawn, sell, get the Rio, buy whatever you want to buy a weapon. You can explore the map, buy different armors around the map. It's a really good way to get Rio. And yeah, I mean, once you progress a little bit, you can do bosses, but yeah, that's the main way to play, I guess, as a beginner. I mean, that's what I've been doing, and I've made it pretty far. But yeah, once you feel comfortable, you have armor, you have a weapon, you can go out and explore. But yeah, that's it, guys. Hopefully this helped. If you want more in-depth, explanations, you can go to the Discord in the description.